In this video, we're going to briefly discuss how Uipath works. To demonstrate, I will create a simple hello world automation just to get you familiar with how Uipath actually works. The first thing we need to do is open up Uipath Studio. Once this open, we will be prompted with a message to continue with free or activate a license. If you have a license, please go ahead and activate it. I'm going to continue with free. Now we have a choice. We can create a blank template, or we can use a template, or we can use a recent. I'm going to create a blank, and I'll call this Hello World. By default, Uipath saves our projects inside of documents, and yours will be Uipath. I created a new folder, and so mine will store it in Uipath course. Just give it a name and click create. Once this open, we will see our workstation in different panels. In the next tutorial, I'll go over in detail what the different panels do. For now, let's create a flowchart. So come here and type flowchart. Drag it over. And this is our flowchart where we can add different activities to build our Uipath bot. The next thing we need to do is add an input. So type input, drag it over. Now we need to connect these two. Just drag down here and we have it. You can either fill this out by coming here and entering in the information, or double clicking. If we double click, we enter a title, which we're going to call Hello World, and a label, which is enter your name. And if we see it, it's right here, this label here and the title here. And then the output, this is where we need to create a variable to store whatever the user enters in. So if we come here, we can Control K, and that'll bring this up. If you can't do that, just come here and create a variable. It's the same thing. So right here, we can give it a name. So output text. And then here, if you created it from here, just come here and type it, output text. And you can hide that. Now go back to main and search for a message box. If you just type box, it'll pull up, drag it over, and connect these two. Now inside of the message box, we want to display whatever they entered. So double click, and remember our text is output text. So click that in, enter. Now this is our bot. Let's run it to see. Hello World's the title. Our label is enter your name. Click OK. Voila. Michael Taiska. Pretty neat, huh? That's it for this tutorial. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.